Okay. For the next part, we need helmets. Hey, we are at lklingen hütte. We didn't really have a plan on this road trip. I really wanted to see something abandoned, but there was nothing really on our road back to the north. And then I found this, which is turned into a museum now. Or I'm not really sure. You have to pay entrance to go in there, and sometimes they have art exhibitions. So I'm not sure what we're gonna see today, but we're gonna see rusty old factory stuff. For the next part, we need helmets, and apparently it's self-service. So sexy.
Hey.
It's pretty windy up here.
Yeah. Heb je nog een 13 nodig? Gewoon de wind door mijn helm zijn.
This place is huge. That's what I said. I didn't push the record button. I get why they gave a warning for people that are afraid of heights. Because oh, there's a helmet right over there.
Where?
Right over there.
Ah, yeah, I see.
Can you see
Someone
it? Yeah.
Look down.
Well, honestly, my helmet is a little bit wobbly as well.
Yeah.
Ai.
Schot.
Ai.
Ja, ga ik.
Nee.
Is dat een informatiebordje over de Nee, dat is echt een koffie.
Chris just told me that thing I was standing on, what's that called in English? Een plaat. Ah, yeah, so these things. While we were all the way on top, one of them was kind of loose, and I did not notice. Chris just told me. I'm happy I'm still alive. Oh, this is why. Yeah, okay, I get it. I was like, why do you need to wear a helmet? But I get it now. Especially you.
Yeah, I'm still walking here on my knees. Hallo?
Nah, doesn't really work.
Yeah, disappointing.
Oh mensen, good morning.
En dan China zitten.
Hi, good morning. We are at Phantasialand. Wee! I am not fully awake yet. Oh, we have to wait 15 minutes for the park to be open. Look at that. Wee. It's the first time for me being here as well as for Chris. So we're excited.
Een raar materiaal kaart.
Zo.
Nee, ik wil hem.
Oh, sorry.
Zo.
Oké.
Kijk, we zijn nu hier. Je hebt hier een achtbaan.
Oké.
Laten we gewoon kijken.
We're lost already.
Ja, ik ga nu toch gewoon via de app kijken. Want,
Okay. Chris does not like the paper card.
No, I like my technology.
Whoa, okay. Cool. So apparently we have to wait an hour for the attractions to be open.
1 hour later.
We were looking for the entrance of a roller coaster, but ended up in a haunted mansion.
Which was kind of
Let's see if we can find the entrance now. Ooh, I see food.
Candy.
Ooh. This park is so beautiful, but also so confusing.
Where am I?
We keep ending up at the entrance or the exit of the park itself, but not like we're looking for attraction.
Yeah, we're looking for a ride. Oh, ik wil weer aan mijn rijbaan.
Oh.
Nou is geen family ride hoor.
Ja, maar die beugel is ook een beetje los voor mij, dus ik vlieg voor die hele kaart. Dat is oké.
Maar ik kan maar iets strakker, ik had gewoon alleen losjes gedaan.
Oh ja, ik vlieg, ik dat vond ik ja.
Ik denk, lekker los.
A few moments later.
We went into this VR roller coaster. We got so nauseous. And now we're just sitting on a bench at the exit of the roller coaster. So many people walk out so pale and nauseous. And you're thinking about food already?
Yeah.
Bro, there's someone sitting across of us. And I think she's done for today. I'm not gonna film her, but she's not happy. We had some food. Feeling a lot better.
Oh, je ligt. Je vliegt. Echt.
Oh, what?
Ja. Zo, die scoot even door de bocht heen.